Imagine if the high-octane world of NASCAR could merge with the cutting-edge technology of artificial intelligence. Could this fusion of speed and science revolutionize the racetrack as we know it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly evolving, making its mark in every field imaginable. It's transforming healthcare, agriculture, education, and yes, even the world of sports. Now let's shift gears and put NASCAR into the AI spotlight. AI could turbocharge NASCAR in ways we're only beginning to understand. Picture this: AI-powered cars that learn from every turn, every pit stop, every surge of acceleration. These intelligent machines could analyze millions of data points in real time, optimizing performance on the fly. Imagine AI systems that predict and prevent accidents, safeguarding drivers and spectators alike. Instead of relying solely on human reflexes, these systems could use complex algorithms to anticipate collisions before they happen. Think about pit crews armed with AI tools that precisely calculate the optimal time for tire changes, fuel top-ups, and mechanical tweaks. This could shave off crucial seconds, turning the tide in a neck-and-neck race. But it's not just about the action on the track. AI could revolutionize the fan experience too. Personalized viewing experiences, real-time stats updates, and immersive virtual reality simulations could bring the thrill of the race right into your living room. So, we've explored how AI could supercharge NASCAR, from the cars to the pit crews, from the track to the fans. It's a fusion of technology and tradition, where AI doesn't replace the human element but enhances it. In this high-speed journey, we've covered the potential of AI-powered cars that learn and adapt, systems that predict and prevent accidents, AI tools that optimize pit stops, and the transformative impact on the fan experience. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's the future of NASCAR, and it's closer than you might think. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime in a world where AI and NASCAR share the driver's seat.